Hey there, quick video showing you how to use the ScribeWare text replacement feature. So let's say we want to add a comment in the bathtub shower. We got a picture here of a leaky shower head, so we'll drag it in. We're going to use the keyword search to find our comment, so I'm just going to type in the word leak, and then how about maybe head for shower head. That'll start winnowing it down. Shower head leaking. Shower head leaking in the family bath. Let's say this is in the master bath. You can see this is underlined, and that's a whole suite of options, so I can just click master. If you want to expand the options, you want to add more, you can highlight this, and you can come up here and click on that, and we could add more things. So here we have master, family guest, Jack and Jill. We could add basement bathroom, upper bathroom, lower bathroom. So we just made a few more options for that. Save, and now you can see when we go under here, we've got those extra places, different bathrooms labeled. So I want to show you another way you can use the text replacement feature, is just as kind of a reminder that you're going to need to go and add a little more detail. So this is a technique I use a lot. Numerous repairs are needed to the wiring system. And to complete this observation, I'm going to drag in some pictures and use the photo bullets and captions feature. But to remind myself that I need to go back there and add stuff at the end of this, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to use this same tool. I'm just going to hit save, and what that does is it gives me this underline that does not show up in the finished report. This underline is just for the home inspector. There's no other, I haven't built other versions of this, so right now I'm just leaving it as one option, but it reminds me, because it's underlined, that I need to come back and just finish that comment. So anytime you're adding these, when you're done, just come up here and hit update library, and now every time I bring this comment up here, we could get rid of it and bring it back. We've got this little underlined section to help remind us that we want to do more with the end of that comment. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and just how you can use the ScribeWare text replacement feature to quickly modify common places in your observations where you want to have a whole list of different stuff. Thanks for watching.